Hey guys, it's my favorite time of year again. Me and my stepdaughter are coming at you with some DIY Halloween crafts. Like, comment, and share for a part 2 to see what other crafts we create using this craft set that I found at Gabe's. I found it for $9.99. So to carve our pumpkins, I used the Forever Knife by Doohickey. I also got that at Gabe's for $2.99. I went ahead and spray painted my pumpkin gold because I'm extra. The gold spray paint wasn't enough for me, so I had to go ahead and use some gold glitter and some spray-on adhesive to apply it. It didn't stop there though. Ania had finished painting her pumpkin, and I figured, fuck it, we're gonna go all out. So I went and grabbed all the glitter I could find in my stash. And I created my own concoction. Something that you've never seen before. Something great and truly amazing. Thus, Ania's pumpkin was born. A true bad bitch. There was no real theme for our pumpkins, honestly. We kind of just winged it. And because we're both extra, it just came out fabulous. I started randomly gluing little flowers onto her pumpkin, and she said that it looked like Isabella. So, I guess she's Isabella for Halloween. I did that shit. And then, of course, there's me with my goth glam and my emo ass. I did that too, though. Y'all can't say my video editing skills are not like that, because look at this. This is top tier. It's spooky season, you guys, and we're just getting started.